Baldwin Bowling Center is located at 708 Michigan Avenue in Baldwin, Michigan. Located on the south end of town, we are a bowling center that offers food, beverage, pool table, horseshoe pits, outdoor patios. We encourage family parties and family events, along with corporate parties, and of course league bowling and the pro shop. We have mixed leagues, men's and women's leagues, and senior leagues. We have moonlight bowling starting on Saturday nights at 9 o'clock, and on Friday nights we run at 2 now. We have an array of different entertainment venues we do. We do live comedy shows. During the summertime we have special events. We'll do outdoor parties on our patios. We do live music during the Blessing of the Bikes weekend, and we'll run 3 different parties on one location. We do special dinners. We'll do prime rib dinners for parties. We'll do ribs. Pretty much anything that you want we can handle making, but on a normal basis we do a lot of pizzas, burgers, and subs. Our Italian hoagie is very good. Of course, appetizers. We have a very wide venue for a small location like we have. We have a lot of fun and we enjoy doing it.